Well, this is my new chainsaw. It's from Walmart. It's $99. You get two chains. "20" gasoline chainsaw. Get safety glasses. Get a toolkit. You get a plastic bar guide. You get a carrying bag, and this is supposed to be 62 cc's. So I've had several chainsaws, but I think 62 cc's will be the biggest one I've ever had. We'll see how it runs. Put it together. Test it out. Oh, they give you this mixing jug too. Oh, they give you gloves and safety glasses. The clutch drum seems smaller than most of my other chainsaws. The cylinder seems pretty small too, for 62 cc's. I mean, just the fins and all that. Well, they give you a tool bag, give you an extra spark plug. Well, I told you they give you two chains. They give you extra pull cord. I mean, they really give you a lot of stuff for $99. I'm thinking, I have to look in the book, but I think that there is your oil flow to the bar. It's automatic. I really don't like that. But there's a way around that. You could always dip the bar in a little bit of oil before you go cutting big cuts. Okay, we'll assemble it and see how it runs. Well, it took about 3 pulls on the choke and it fired. And then about 2 pulls after that, it's been idling for about 3 or 4 minutes now. This is what I'm going to cut up, is 8-foot logs right there. We named this saw Chop Suey because it was, I think, China-made saw. I guaranteed it is. So far it seems okay, but clutch seems like it runs hot, and I'm not 100% sure how much oil is fed to the bar. So you're going to watch me cut this large piece of maple. Well, what do you think about the chop suey? Chop through that, but that's only maple, not like it's oak. Well, I'm going to try to start the chop suey. 4 cuts, and it'll get a rev up, but that's it. It won't run. So I guess I'm gonna have to break it down, put it back in the box, and ship it back. I could see if it was as old as my McCulloch, 35 years old, but 20 minutes old, it should fire up. You had the right gas and oil mixture. There's oil on the bar. I don't know if it's getting a lot of oil. It doesn't seem like it, but box it up, send it back.